anybody this yet today, so you get to be the first guy. Fines and costs are $550 within 30 days, or show me a valid driver's license. I will pay you $550 to get that license back. All right. Good morning, sir. Have you read your rights form? You understand your rights and the options they present? You understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? You understand that if I accept your plea to that charge, Secretary of State's going to find out that you were driving on April 13th and they may add a suspension to the current suspension period. You understand that?
Man, because I'm in the process. Right now, I'm at the end of every day. I have like my recommendation list for my even my support of the job, my whole liquors, I get my license back probably the next 2 weeks. So I don't know. Hopefully that doesn't hinder that. I don't
Let's try something. Miss Manarino.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Collins came in with a no ops to a DWLS from April 13th. He tells me he's 2 weeks from getting his license back.
Okay, then we can amend it to an allowing.
Bless you. Thanks.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. So allowing an unlicensed driver means that you let somebody drive your vehicle that wasn't properly licensed. That somebody happens to be you in this case, but that doesn't have any sanctions with Secretary of State. Okay. So that she just did you a solid there because that's going to help you. All right. Okay. So did you drive a vehicle on that day? And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. You said you're working. Where are you working?
Oh, I'm a nurse assistant and I'm a medical scene. I work at American House of Parking.
Okay, yeah, I'm familiar with it. Good. How long you been there?
Got a 2-bedroom round street, so I'm working at my.
Good. How long you been at American House?
About a year and a half, well, about 7 months. So I was at skilled employment for about 2 years. My grandma got sick in December. She died February.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, so I moved back home to take care of her, and I got a job closer to home.
Okay.
So I was working in clinic for a while.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been in the nursing field for about 5 years.
Good. Good. All right. And you think your license is like 2 weeks, you're back? All right. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. Haven't done it for anybody yet today, so you get to be the first guy. Fines and costs are $550 within 30 days, or show me a valid driver's license. I will pay you $550 to get that license back.
Can I get 60 days so I know I have my license in my hand? Because I know I still gotta talk to the Secretary of State on Zoom, and I know they might give me a restriction on my license. But I know I have the Zoom call coming up in the next 2 weeks. I got my recommendation letters. I got them notarized by the bank.
Yep.
So those recommendation letters just extra.
Okay. I'll give you 60 days. All right. In addition to the money or the license, you're going to owe me 4 days on the court work program. That's an alternative to jail. We're running the program 7 days a week. You pick which 4 days. Those days you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Schedule those before you get out of here. Good luck. You're welcome. You as well. Good morning, Mr. Mays.
Good morning,
How are you?
Judge. She's better right.
Okay. Codison? What's your client's name? Where? Oh,
This is Colton. I pulled this thing.
I got Clive Colson, but
Yeah.
that's not Mr.
That's
Okay.
Mr. Grisline.
All right.
Mr. Mays is an adjournment.
All right. We're working on yours, Bill. Come on up, counsel.
Good morning, Judge and staff. John Luthney, attorney on behalf of five, and please identify yourself, sir.
All right. Last name Coates, Coate, son. Stun, Ston. All right. So you've discussed your rights and options with counsel today. And you're pleading responsible to an added charge of double parking. You've agreed to pay fines at cost of $400, correct? Not much. How much time you need? Understand the misdemeanor doesn't get dismissed till we get our money.
That's fine.
All right, so can you do it by the 14th of August? Look at the calendar. No, that's too soon. Joe, roll the page. Now you're pushing it. I don't mind you trying. How about the 11th of September? All right, go downstairs and make arrangements.
Sure.
You're welcome.
Staff, John Grotzky, I'm going to bring on behalf of Marissa Pope, who's going to.
Marissa Pope.
Judge, there's several issues that exist right now. Apparently, there's an active warrant. Very briefly, Ms. Cope has been living in Kentucky for approximately 5 years. She got back there. She was currently living in Sway with her grandmothers and,
Excuse me, Davis Street address? Go ahead, Counsel.
we're seeking an adjournment at this time.
When you say final pretrial, does that mean the complainant's supposed to be here?
This is so long ago without getting into detail, Judge. My client did suffer an injury.
Okay,
As a result of this, incident, not getting into details.
That's all right. so we're looking at August 13th. I don't know why she wants to do it at 11:45, but that work?
I have Angela do an afternoon.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
What day is it?
August 13th, final pretrial with the complainant to appear. And I will continue bond. All right, so you just have a seat. We're gonna get you a paper notice with that date on it. We'll get you out of here. Oh, hold on. We got to do a bond. So you're back living with grandma. You got a job going yet?
Yeah.
Where you working?
In Belleville.
How long? Good. Full time? Okay. I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. I'm assuming the person that was involved in this thing back in 20, you've had no relationship with? All right.
Yeah, the seniors.
All right, so I'll put you on a personal bond. First condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble. The second one's pretty obvious, be in court when you're supposed to be. Can you live with that? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Just stay out of trouble and show up and you're good. We got more than one file though. Hold on a minute. You're just a judge. Nope, we're good.
Judge, on behalf of the defendant, stand for my love, sir, please tell the judge your name. William. Thank you, sir. Your Honor, vacancy candidates got the proposal, and the grant, waive on the reading, standing charge. I have been able to pre-try the case with the airport attorney. At this point, the defendant would be pleading guilty as charged to one count of disorderly person with the understanding that it'd be taken under advisement for a period of 3 months. He has been advised of his rights, in particular his rights to file, which is to bail himself out after.
Good. And sir, do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily to the charge? All right. Tell me what happened on May 14th that makes you think you're guilty of the charge. Or you can voir dire.
If I can board here a little bit, at May 14th, 2026, were you at the airport? And you were working on that day, is that correct? She had a couple of cocktails at work. Did you get into an argument with the coworker? Were you loud and disorderly during that argument with the coworker? So, yes. In fact, you're absolutely, is that correct? For being required as a result of this? Yes.
Where were you working?
Company at DTW, a company called Areas. They work with, like, basically a food chain.
Okay, okay. Yeah, food court. Yep. Okay, yep. Yeah, I'm satisfied if you are.
Satisfied.
Yeah, I'll accept the plea. So you lost a job? You working now? Where are you working now?
It's called Areas, Floyd Products. This is a warehouse.
Okay. Yep. Full time?
Was I offered, yeah.
Good, good. Okay. Anything else I should consider?
I completely regret moving work for the situation that happened. Thank you. With it being in this big situation, no one was harmed, things like that, so. That is regret moving work for the situation.
Okay. Which,
Completely upfront with me.
yeah.
That better help.
What, no criminal history at all?
And he's also lost his badge to work at the airport, at least for an extended period, Your Honor.
All right. I'm not gonna do fines and costs. I'm just gonna do 3 days on the court work program. So we run that program 7 days a week. You pick which days. The day you pick, you gotta be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. You're usually done with us by 2:30 or 3. Understood?
It would be this location.
Yeah, you show up here for those 3 days. You pick the days though.
Oh,
All right. Now, I'm not gonna wait 6 months for this to get done. So schedule 3 days in the next 2 or 3 weeks and we're done with you. All right. Anything else? Good luck. You're welcome.
Please, yeah, thanks.
Good morning, man.
I'll say it wrong, sorry.
I've gotten several variations over the years.
You say it again,
Here.
brother. All right, counsel, tell me about it.
Misunderstanding, she had unpaid tickets from, and then said she had to be paid and
Good. Okay. Okay. All right, Ms. Prather, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand all that?
Yeah.
You understand the possible penalty for the no valid ops?
Yeah.
And understanding that, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes,
Ma'am, did you in fact drive a vehicle at the airport on April 20th this year?
yes,
And at the time, was your license invalid?
yes.
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. Counsel, what should I know about Ms. Prather?
She works for Wayne County, she's an accountant, she's an outstanding citizen, and lovely different consideration.
Okay,
She helps one of her daughters with fishing.
great. Where's she going to school?
She,
Yeah, what's she studying?
one of two, the one is studying art, the other is doing neuroscience.
Good for them. One right brain, one left brain.
And the twins, that's funny.
Isn't that funny? Well, they shared one really awesome brain.
I tell people all the time, the two kids just happen to be born at the same time.
Yeah, it's funny. Okay. Looks like we've got 2 tickets from 2023. Impeding traffic and registration or plate violation.
Yeah.
Looks like we've got $516 due on that. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan on all this?
Yes,
Can you do that before you leave the building? Joe, have you checked on our special guest?
Yes, I was not gonna get.
No,
Other ones.
the other special guest, the one that's already here. Yeah, okay. All right, I've got a show cause fee, so that brings fines and costs up to $550. Same deal, when you go downstairs, they'll tell you all your payment options, just work out a plan. And then, all right, well, it wasn't done. Normally on these files, I order 4 days on the court work program in lieu of jail time. Work program, we're currently, I just found out today, we're running 7 days a week now. So you pick the 4 days, you pick your own schedule. The days you pick, you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. You go out with our crew, usually back here at the end of the day, 2:30, 3 o'clock at the latest. Okay? Any questions? Have a great day. You're welcome. She's all good, Joe? Tell me all about it.
So, Mr. Cooper, said I work today on a driving with an allegation. We have reached a resolution on that matter. That person will be dismissed. We will be pleading guilty to the reduced charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. This is the last hurdle going to get the license.
Good, good.
So he's been, making the circuits, getting everything done. This is a 2023 case. He's got a payment plan in place for the default civil infraction was on this. So unless we're missing something on the driving record, next stop, Secretary of State.
Okay. Look, did you make your June 29th payment?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Hadley? Did you understand all those? Do you understand the possible penalty for the no valid or for the allow unlicensed driver to operate? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on April 20th? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. Are you working, sir?
Graduated, CSC, well, CSC shows.
Where'd you graduate that? Okay, all right,
So they got associate's program.
So right.
awesome. I didn't know Focus Hope was doing that.
Yeah.
That's great.
That's
That's awesome.
advanced manufacturing.
Beautiful, beautiful. So when did you get finished with school? Oh, just got done?
Yes.
Okay, so the fact that you're not working yet is not, you're not worried yet?
Got some stuff lined up.
Good, good.
Trying
need a little grace on when
Yeah,
kind of the
yeah.
things can get up and right. That's, yeah.
How long since you had a job?
Well, I was working for the third Detroit infrastructure and renewal trades.
Okay,
Yeah, no, to switch.
Yeah. yeah, that's hard work. Yeah,
There's different ways to use it.
all right. So when do you think you'll have your license straight?
Yeah. I'm trying to take up all the tickets, trying to just get on the path where
All right, so currently you're not working anywhere.
I still like, handyman stuff.
Yeah, but you don't have a schedule. I'll tell you what, bang out 4 days on my work program in the next 2 weeks and I won't charge any money. All right. Merry Christmas.
You got that. That was.
That was a gift. So what is today? 9th?
Yes.
Get it done by the 24th?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I mean,
You can literally schedule the next 4 days if you want to.
Where downstairs?
Go downstairs. You're gonna pick 4 days and those days you show up here.
Schedule time to and from, bring lunch and take care of it. See?
They'll go over all the rules. All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a piece of paper.
Thank you, and man, good luck with the next career, man. Thank you.
Yeah, good luck with the job, huh?